This is
Sparta!
Burke. It's hopeless. My village. In a word, hopeless. And it's been here for 7 generations, but every single building is hopeless.
Stop it. Get some help.
The only problems are the pests. But I'm way too muscular for their taste. We have the mosquitoes. My name's Hiccup. But it's not the worst. That's Stoics the Vab. They say that when he was a baby, he popped a dragon's head clean off his shoulders. Do I believe it? Yes, I do.
What have we got?
Grunkles, nipplebox, and hork soft. Grunkles, and Grunkles. None so far.
Good.
Oh, nice of you to join the party. I thought you'd been carried off.
Who, me? No, come on, I'm way too muscular for their taste. They wouldn't know what to do with all this. Oh, and that's Fish Legs, Snot Lout, the twins, Rough Nut and Tough Nut, and Astrid.
You can't lift a hammer, you can't swing an axe, you can't even throw one of these.
Okay, fine, but this will throw it for me.
Oh! Now this right here is what I'm talking about.
But
if you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all... This. Yes, that's it.
Reload! I'll take care of this.
Oh, I hit it? Yes, I hit it! Did anybody see that? Except for you. Times, Dad. I mean,
Stop! Just stop! Every time you step outside...
I can't stop myself. I see a dragon and I have to just kill it. You know, it's who I am, Dad. Yes! I have brought down this mighty beast!